look super crazy, but I just wanted to come up here and show you guys something that I just purchased and I'm gonna use for the first time. I just purchased Mako de Gorilla, which is gorilla snot. This is a gel for, you know, you guys that have never heard of it, which is weird because it's been on the market for years. I just purchased it for this small one was like $1.99. I just got it because I wanted to do myself a slick low bun with my natural hair. I'm completely 100% natural and have been for years. So I'm gonna see how this does on my hair, honey. Are my waves gonna be popping or are they gonna be pitiful? So I'm gonna come back and show you how they are. Hey guys, I think that the Gorilla Snot did kind of well on my hair. I will admit though, I did have to put like a little bit of argan oil on top of it so it'll stay, because my hair was like so thick so it wasn't laying down. Everybody got the crazy inches. My hair was so thick so it wouldn't lay down. My hair was really thick, so it did work. I'm happy about that. Will I use it again? I don't know. I have to read the ingredients on the back to see if it's really like unhealthy for your hair. But other than that, it's fine. I think I would just try it with the Eco Styler gel by itself. I'll just try it with the Eco Styler gel by itself next time instead of with the Gorilla Snot, because the Gorilla Snot is really like snot, honey. It's like you are it's so like gooey and everything. So next time I'm just gonna start an Eco Styler gel because I just wanted to do a low bun. Oh, so I'm gonna tell you where I'm going. I'm going to Top Golf today, so I'm going to play some golf. I don't know where my friend is. So yeah. Whistle, whistle, whistle. You should. Guys, so I'm here. Oh, they were so sweet. The one that just introduced herself, she wants to be a YouTuber. I don't know what her channel is or is going to be, but I said, honey, it's not too late. Start your channel, sis. Start your channel. But yeah, so we out here and we just got to Top Golf. So those of you who don't have a Top Golf in your area, it's just a simulation golf. I'm kind of bad at it. But it's a lot of fun still. So basically the ball comes out of here, you put it on the tee, and you put it on the whatever that is, and then you get your see, that's what I'm for, because I don't even know the names of the stuff, and then you hit it out there. So these are the lanes. It has a couple of different floors. I think we're on the first floor, so I'm excited to see how I do in this.
That's it. And this is the thank you very much.
Yay!
Can I tell anything else right now?
No, thank you.
Alright. Something else you need?
Okay, you can go now. I'm winning.
Yeah, do it like that. Do it just like that. Oh, snap!
I won! Y'all, I won. Listen, my acceptance speech. I like to thank my mom. I like to thank my dad. You know, when I was younger, he would teach me how to fight. You know what I'm saying? That was giving me muscles to hit the driver into the correct hole. So I appreciate you so much. Without you, I would never be here. It's a whole different day. It's actually Tuesday, and I got invited to like a game night somewhere. So I was like, I'll come out. No, goodness well, I don't normally come out on weeknights. I agreed to come out tonight because I didn't have much to do. I was gonna go in there and do some editing, but I have time for that. So here it is.
Hola. What's that you want? Everybody rock some Prince too. You got her buttons on. The purple one. We got some Prince coming up tonight. Believe it, believe it.
And I approve this message.
Aaron approves this message. Hey guys, it's the end of the night now. I'm gonna go ahead and go home. It was a cool night, you know, playing games and stuff like that. So I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna get some rest for the morning. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. Guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll have some videos right here and right here that you're able to watch. Any more videos for me. I appreciate you. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next vlog.